Levodopa and dopamine are metabolized by two enzymes, monoamine oxidase type B, MAO-B, and catechol O-methyltransferase, COMT. Action of these enzymes outside the blood-brain barrier decreases levels of levodopa entering the brain. Therefore, these enzymes are inhibited so that there is more stable and constant supply of levodopa, which makes its beneficial effects last longer. MAO-B inhibitors and COMT inhibitors, which inhibit these enzymes, are used to treat Parkinson's disease. These inhibitors allow a larger amount of levodopa to reach the brain, which raises dopamine levels.
Selegiline is an MAO-B inhibitor, which may be used alone or in conjunction with other dopaminergic drugs. Tolcapone and Entacapone are COMT inhibitors, which by themselves cannot help alleviate the symptoms of Parkinson's disease, but must be combined with levodopa and carbidopa. Amantadine was originally developed as an antiviral drug. It has a mild anti-Parkinsonian effect and may be useful to treat levodopa-induced dyskinesias, abnormal involuntary movements and postures.